Hey YouTube, welcome to episode 3 of this music video for Netflix that I'm breaking down. This scene, it was under the bridge as well. We have the fire over here and this was all real. The fire became the practical. What I did was I obviously just motivated that. So I had a Nova 300 on a boom pipe, and that was with a egg crate and a softbox. And that wasn't coming from the front of her, that was coming more from the side. And what we did there is we just put it on fire flicker, keep that motivation from the fire in the background. I had another light, and you can kind of see it over here. You can see that haze. That was a 600, and that was coming from this direction. On spot through a diffusion. And that kind of just motivated the backlight of the fire and gave her that edge from the back. What's really nice is this edge was just from the fire. You can see these, like on the background, you can see this little tint. That was a balloon or lantern, and that was going straight up towards the underside of the bridge. And what that was doing was obviously giving a pop. And you can see over here, kind of on the side here, it was just filling in a little bit of color into the shadows. And that was just giving like a little bit of a break in the image, because you got all this orange from the tungsten and the fire. Get a layer to it that makes it interesting. For every scene, I always had the catch light for the close-up so that there was always light in the eyes. Basically, yeah, 3-point lighting setup. You got your backlight, you got your side light, and then you've got the lantern. Then you've just got your catch light. Thanks for tuning in, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.